Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iPhone Advanced Data Protection with iCloud, full guide step by step clearly. To activate iPhone Advanced Data Protection with iCloud, start by unlocking your iPhone. Make sure your device is updated to iOS 16.2 or later. Open the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. In the Apple ID settings, select iCloud. Next, scroll down and select Advanced Data Protection. You will be presented with an overview of the features of Advanced Data Protection. Tap on Get Started to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Read through the information regarding end-to-end encryption. Once you're familiar with the benefits, tap Continue. You'll be prompted to set up a recovery method for your data. Choose between using a recovery key or your recovery contact. If you choose a recovery key, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Make sure to write down the recovery key and store it in a safe place. If you opt for a recovery contact, select someone from your contacts list. Ensure that your recovery contact is someone you trust. After setting up your recovery method, review the final prompts. If everything looks good, tap Turn on Advanced Data Protection. Your device may take a moment to process this change. You will receive a confirmation that Advanced Data Protection is enabled. To confirm that the feature is active, return to the iCloud settings. You should see a note indicating that Advanced Data Protection is turned on. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Advanced Data Protection on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.